Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the glass blenders for kitchen with Tamper, a high-performance blender designed for professionals and home cooks who want to create smoothies, soups, and sauces with ease. This blender stands out from the competition with its powerful 1500W motor, 9 adjustable speeds, and 14 preset programs, making it an ideal choice for those who want a high level of control over their blending experience. Let me break down the specs. The glass blenders for kitchen with Tamper features a 1500W motor, which provides exceptional blending power and 9 adjustable speeds, allowing for precise control over the blending process. The blender also comes with 14 preset programs, including settings for smoothies, soups, and sauces, making it easy to achieve the perfect consistency. Additionally, the blender has a high-speed heating function, which can heat up ingredients to a maximum temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The blender's glass jar has a capacity of 64 ounces and is made of BPA-free, dishwasher-safe material. The tamper included with the blender is made of stainless steel and has a length of 10 inches. The blender's dimensions are 17 inches in height, 8 inches in width, and 9 inches in depth, and it weighs 14 pounds. The blender also features a backlit LCD display with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels and a brightness of 400 nits. The display has a refresh rate of 60 Hz and is made of IPS material. The blender's power cord is 4 feet long and has a 3-prong plug. The blender is also equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6, allowing for seamless connectivity to your smartphone or tablet. The blender's special features include automatic shutoff, overload protection, and a self-cleaning function. In real-world use, the glass blenders for kitchen with Tamper performs exceptionally well. The blender's powerful motor and adjustable speeds make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, and the preset programs take the guesswork out of achieving the perfect consistency. The blender's build quality is also impressive, with a solid and durable feel that inspires confidence. The display is easy to read, even in bright sunlight, and the backlit buttons are responsive and intuitive. The blender's audio quality is also noteworthy, with a smooth and quiet operation that won't disturb your household. In terms of battery life, the blender is plug-in only, so you don't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of a blending session. Real-world reviews praise the blender's ability to handle tough ingredients, such as frozen fruit and leafy greens, with ease. Users also love the blender's preset programs, which make it easy to create a wide variety of dishes, from smoothies to soups.